Did you know your new Toyota is equipped with 2 different types of cruise control modes? There's constant cruise control, and then my favorite, the dynamic radar cruise control. Hi, I'm Eddie, and I'm gonna walk you through these features. Your Toyota will be equipped with 2 different types of cruise control. The classic cruise control, where you make all the adjustments yourself, called constant cruise control, or my favorite, which is your dynamic radar cruise control. You get up to speed, you hit your cruise control button. You can now adjust your speed going up or down right here with this toggle. And you're gonna notice this vehicle has an adjustment where you can choose the following distance between you and the cars in front of you just simply by tapping this button. If you want the longer gap, set a longer gap. If you don't mind coming up a little closer, you can come up a little closer. These all have pre-collision systems, so don't worry, the system works fine, keeping you safe and giving you that space between you and the vehicle, allowing you to drive in comfort, style, and convenience. And thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about these features. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, or visit us in store for a personalized experience.